Management of forts and the navy. Shivaji Maharaj conquered many enemies to establish Swaraj. Be it war or governance, his management skills can be seen in all areas. Shivaji Maharaj protected his Swaraj with the help of forts. In the book Agya Patra or Royal Edict, the importance of forts has been aptly summed up. The essence of the whole kingdom is forts. Shivaji Maharaj understood the importance of forts in the protection of Swaraj while gazing at the forts in Sahyadri. Shivaji Maharaj built all three types of forts: forest forts, hill forts, and sea forts, also known as Janjira. He employed experts like Hiroji Indulkar and Arjoji Yadav to build many new forts like Rajgarh, Pratapgarh, and Sindhudurg. He repaired some old forts like Vijayadurg, Torna, and Rangna and built the new fort of Raigad. He had about 300 forts. Shivaji Maharaj had made definite arrangements for the protection of forts. On each fort, the officers, Killedar, Sabnis, and Karkhanis were appointed. The Sabnis and Karkhanis worked under the Killedar. Guns and ammunition. Guns of various sizes were placed on the bastions and fortifications of the fort and were used to protect the forts. Some forts like Purandar and Bhimgarh had provisions for making guns. Guns were made from metals like iron, brass, copper, etc. In the rainy season, the guns were given a wax coating to prevent rusting. Iron and stone cannonballs and canister shots were fired at the enemy from the guns which had an explosive mixture. Shivaji Maharaj created an independent navy to permanently subdue the enemies on the sea, the ones who used to plunder the villages on the sea coast and torture the villagers. Because of the Maratha navy, the English, the Portuguese, the Siddhis, and the Dutch, who were the enemies of the Marathas, began to fear and respect them. Their nuisance to Swaraj was reduced. By raising an independent and strong navy, Shivaji Maharaj defined his territorial waters and established domination over the coastal area. He safeguarded his sea coast. The navy was the first of its kind in medieval India. That is why he is rightly regarded as the father of the Indian Navy. Bahirji Nayak was the chief of the very efficient system of army intelligence and espionage. The accurate information that he obtained helped greatly in making the campaigns like the Surat campaign successful. Shivaji's spies found out detailed information about the enemy camp. In the defense strategy of Shivaji Maharaj, guerrilla tactics were especially important, which include sudden and unexpected attacks on the enemy at a strategic place and time. The guerrilla army attacks the enemy without giving them time to recover reaches a safe destination. Shivaji Maharaj was helped by the dense forests and hill forts in the Sahyadris and the support of his subjects in this guerrilla warfare. In this presentation, we have learnt about Shivaji Maharaj and his fort building strategy, management of forts, guns and ammunition, navy, intelligence department, and guerrilla tactics.